little tip and trick when you're doing vacuuming on old true carpet. The trick is to not get it wet. It's super. You don't want to get it that wet. I don't know even what I'm saying.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Epic Auto Detailing Vlogs. Today we're pretty busy. We have PPF jobs, window tint jobs, and detailing jobs, and we're about to show you exactly what we got going on today. Alright guys, right here we have this Honda and getting a full frontal PPF job done. Jamie's already almost done with it. The full hood got done, fender got done, the whole bumper got done. She just got done with the side mirrors. But yeah, she did a really good job. She's learning really fast, you know. She does all my office stuff and doing this, which is dope to have that kind of employee here. But yeah. Alright guys, we have an older Mustang in right now. The client had it for like generations. Her mom owned it, then it got passed down. It had a bunch of mold in it, so right now Jake's gonna do a full interior detail plus mold removal. And it's pretty cool. We found some documents in there from like 1969. It's pretty dope.
Alright guys, this Mustang came in for mold removal. Carpet was pretty bad. I've been vacuuming for probably the last hour and a half, getting all the sand out. You have like two options to get sand out. Either you just vacuum for hours on end to get it all out, or you can use a tornator and a backing of a polisher, and you just set it on a low setting and it vibrates, and then you just take your vacuum and get at it. Both options are going to take forever. It's just how it goes with sand and carpet, especially old, real carpet. I just got done with the first round of vacuuming. Looks pretty good, comparably to what as it came in. Now I'm going to hit it with a little bit of pre-treatment, let it sit there, break down, let the enzymes break down all the organic dirt, dust, and all that stuff, kind of break down the mold that was in there. As that's doing that, I'll probably work on a little bit of the plastic stuff, and then once I feel like the pre-treatment's been in there for you know, about 10-15 minutes, then I'll hit it with the hot water extractor. That's it for the carpet. Then it goes to the plastics and well, in this case, real leather back in the day. I don't like to use steam on real leather. I like to just use an all-purpose cleaner with a soft bristle brush, clean it up as best as possible, and then hit it with a leather treatment. Do that to pretty much everything that is real leather. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Alright, we have this Ford in. It's a Ford Raptor, brand new 2023. This is the owner of Northside Ford. We did already front two window tint. Later here did it. Did the front two window tint for us here. Now next is the full interior, and then paint correction and coating that Jake's gonna do.
What the hell? Don't try to switch it over.
He's being mean to me.
This guy right here.
Hey, check out his shirt though. I made that shirt.
Yeah, but check it out. How long did it take me to get
2
these
weeks, whatever.
shirts? Longer than 2 weeks, a month.
Bro, don't go to the you're branded now because I helped you out.
Nah. You're gonna beat your ass though. Alright? Tell him that. Keep with him, he's gonna beat your ass.
Oh, watch out, the camera's here now.
Oh shit, my fault. Never mind, not gonna beat your ass.
I know, right? Snitch. It's a snitch.
GP.
What?
Weird question. The customer was wanting to watch, but I told him he could watch from the outside.
Watch
Sure, I
what?
can't watch from outside.
Watch what? This get done? No. Yeah, we can't have them in the shop area. Liability issues. You have a client in here, they're shipping fall, we're messed up, we're effed.
When I throw the tail on the
We get
ground,
sued.
Yeah, I'm wearing Crocs right now.
I see that.
As you can see.
What are
They are my
Look at that, bro!
I've almost slipped already 5 times.
This guy watches
bling bling on
this
that.
guy watches rap videos one time. He's blinged out. What happens when your girl wants your car washed and you work together and then she's in charge of the schedule? So Jorge needs to make his girl happy if you wash her car. We'll see if he does it though. See you next time. Alright, we have this other car in. It's a Mazda MR2, right? What it is?
No, Toyota MR2.
Toyota, is that what you said? Okay, let's restart that then. We have this Toyota MR2 in for full paint correction that Blaine is almost done with. The paint was pretty bad, but now it looks a lot better, as you can see the way it looks. Looks good in here though. And the sun was a lot better. Bro, careful with the knife. You're gonna cut something.
The fucking knife. I should cut you.
Oh my god, you see this? You see this?
Bro, get the priest in here, bro.
I know, he's got the devil.
Y'all see that new Insidious coming out though?
No,
No,
Have you seen the couple first
I haven't
Insidious?
seen any of them.
For real, what about you? Seen
I'm
the
scared.
First couple?
never seen any of
Shut
them.
the f up.
I'm
y'all
scared.
tripping?
You wanna get him real quick? We're gonna film you. Deal with it. We're gonna film you. As soon as you walked in here, you're on film. You're consent to be on film. We're gonna polish the flooring. Make the concrete flooring nice. Oh shit. Whoa, you see that?
Whoa!
You see the harassment?
Whoa!
Like
That's
that.
I don't like it.
Nah, don't act like the camera.
Don't make
ain't
me
here when you
blush.
Like that.
You're gonna make me blush, dog. Don't put that in the video.
Yeah, don't put that.
I ain't a snitch, okay? I'm only snitching to the homies.
You guys are getting a little close there.
What does it matter? Are you jealous? Gonna be close to us too?
This guy's jealous.
Celoso.
Celoso.